Hey guys, Dr. Clint Steele here with your team text for Chirothin Text for Success. Guys, I'm reading this book. If you haven't read it, you need to read it. Grant Cardone. First, when he came across my radar screen, I didn't care for the guy too much. He was kind of cocky and just too much. But the more I read his stuff, it's amazing, guys. And so I'm going to share a passage from his book, The 10X Rule, page 16. The 10X rule assumes the target is never the problem. And he talks about how when we set goals, too many times as the goal or the date of the goal gets closer and it appears that we're not going to reach that goal, instead what we do is we either change the timeline, so we put the goal out a little bit longer or a little bit farther out, or we change the goal. And so instead of having this amount, and we bring it down to reach this amount so that we can reach the goal. And this is something that I've always dealt with in my head. I was like, if I don't reach the goal, then I can change it. But what he talks about is he says this: any target attacked with the right actions in the right amounts with persistence is attainable. So what he talks about in this book is, instead of changing the target and instead of changing the goal or the timeline for the goal, instead change the actions, man. Like if you're not going to reach that goal and you know it's a month away and you're not going to reach it, instead what you do is you increase your actions to reach that goal. And so you totally reverse the whole thought process, and you make it so that regardless, man, regardless of whatever that goal is, like you're going to do it. And so if you have to work twice as hard, if you have to work 3 times as hard, if you have to put more time in, if you have to put more money in, if you have to put more resources in, whatever it is that you need to do to reach that goal, you need to do. That's it. Love this book, guys. Make sure you read it. Guys, if you don't have a goal, you need to set a goal. If you have action steps to reach that goal and it doesn't look like you're going to reach it, change the action steps. Don't change the goal. All right? Hope you guys have a great day. It's Dr. Clint Steele. Talk to you soon.